What's up, Dirty and L Gang? We just gonna shoot a little vlog because we gotta redo our video from earlier.
Yo, we was trying to do the earphone challenge for y'all. For some reason, somehow, I don't know.
It was in slow motion.
Yeah.
So
That was crazy.
after that, I took a nap and stuff.
I played the game.
Hello, how may I help?
I want 2 cheeseburgers and a medium fry.
Can I get 2 cheeseburgers and a medium fry?
Okay.
And can I get a double quarter pounder with a small fry?
Will that be all?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, you can put it around.
I know she probably not here like, dang, it just was at the window.
No, we had to go all the
We
way
had to go
home.
all the way back home because I forgot the card on the table.
Don't do that, because I always make sure I grab everything.
But we was talking about, we was talking about our video from earlier. It would have been funny, but I think it's funny, but ain't nobody gonna sit right there and watch a video in slow motion.
Look, we did it. It said 15 minutes. By being in slow motion, it said an hour and what, like 6 minutes?
I think so.
So yeah. And the way how it was speeding it up, it looked crazy. So we're just doing another one for y'all. It might be a little bit shorter just because that one got messed up.
Yeah.
But it was funny though.
Alright, focus on me. My birthday is in an hour. I said an hour. A day in. Shush. Because I'm supposed to. A day in 4 hours and 22 minutes.
Well, I gotta wait 3 months.
3. You gotta wait 4.
Gotta wait 3. My birthday is in May.
Yeah.
Gotta wait 3
Well,
months.
the beginning of May, so yeah, you passed for the
I gotta wait 3 months. But yeah, we just wanted to talk to y'all, I guess.
Just to let y'all know that, like, because I know we posted a video earlier saying stay tuned for the video.
But some things happen outside our house that ended the video, so we can't post it and all that.
And then plus it was like slow motion.
Yeah.
My dog, bitch. Them bricks on the list.
No. Oh, right. Yeah, she got this big coat on.
Because I
She got
can't
my
fit my.
coat on
I can't
extra.
fit mine.
Got on my coat extra. But yeah, since like we don't be having a lot of stuff to post all the time except for like challenges and pranks, like we just gonna be doing like vlogs and stuff like that for real. And just basically posting anything.
I can't
Yeah,
fit my
terrible.
coat. That's what I wanted to say. I can't zipping it up, so I had to put on his big old coat.
It's big, you and it's small to me. Don't she look? Hey yo, don't she look like the what is it? Not the cinnamon roll man. What is it? The Italian man.
Big Puff.
Who?
Big Puff.
What?
The marshmallow man from our fucking, excuse me, y'all. From off, what's it? Ghostbusters.
No. The little thing that Dallas was.
Stay Puff.
Thank you. Finish the little vlog out in the house. I like this right here, dog.
Yo, this third trimester been kicking my booty. I've been real tired a lot lately. And I start school in 11 days. And I gotta get up early in the morning.
Gotta get up early in the morning.
So y'all ain't gonna really be here too much about me until the afternoon. Cause I get out of school at 2.
that we don't have no goals, y'all. Y'all just watching the. Well, I don't know, cause before we started doing YouTube, we already started some of the stuff that we was gonna be doing. So y'all just getting in a little, not late, but like a little bit
dark.
late.
That's because we're riding through the parking lot.
A little bit of late of what we already started.
They don't never put no salt.
What they say, trust the process. You'll see.
So most of the times when I'm home and he doing the video, y'all see me with my textbook and my laptop and all that, I'm mostly studying.
But what I was going to say, we're going to really, I guess, post our videos like certain days out the week. We're going to try to get more videos and like of the
more
weekend.
Fun stuff. Like,
and plus we already have another baby, so it's going to be more family, well, our family that we created. So
we got the apartment makeover coming up and everything. Like everything is coming up. Almost home in my bed. Y'all tell me why I chose that I wanted to move out of state, right? Why do he want to move to Nevada? Nevada, out of all places. That's what Area 51 is at.
And no, it ain't cause no young boy, cause that's what you was saying.
Yeah, I said it.
Only reason why I want to move out there, I mean, it's plenty of areas where it's space at. It's just I want to be able to build my own house. Like, whereas though it's like, I don't know, and like I don't know, Nevada sound, I don't know. It's just the name for real. It just sound crazy.
I want to move down south. He want to move to the West Coast.
Down south where?
I want to move to Atlanta.
I don't want to be around there.
It's a Pacific. I can't pronounce what
still,
part.
I don't want to move to Atlanta because I don't want to be around people.
I mean, you still want to be around people in Nevada. You think
Not
Nevada
as much.
just
It's first of
an
all,
open like space where everybody's spaced out?
No, where I want to move though. I don't want to be in Atlanta. Everybody go there. I don't want to be where everybody. I don't want to see rappers and all that extra bull crap.
Who said you was going to see that?
I'm just saying, like, it's just that's somewhere I don't want to go. That's like somewhere where you take a trip at. I don't want to move there. That's what I
want to move down south because it's cheaper to live down there anyway.
I don't want to. I can't do that.
It's way cheaper to live down there than living on the East and West Coast.
I'm sorry, but I can't. But all right, y'all, we ready to get back to y'all as soon as we here in the house. Peace. Hey, what's up, dog? Again, I'll be back now, and we sitting here just eating our food, and we just wanted to do like a little vlog, but I would just talk to y'all for a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna get out of here. So peace.